Alright, we have a Duromax 7 horsepower pressure washer from eBay for $249. It got here in 2 days, free shipping. Now we've already used it a little bit. We've got our tips here to come with it. These will cut through concrete, and then the turbo tip, something new. It's kind of cool. It's like it twirls. So we're gonna get it started right now. We ran it a second ago, and to get her fired up, we've already ran it. So we're gonna take that top one and we'll put it halfway in. And that's about half choke. And the bottom one's your fuel, so that goes all the way left. We're gonna turn it on, and we're gonna put a turbo tip in it real quick. She goes in pretty easy. Lock it, and then we're gonna pop the pressure out of the line. That way it doesn't foam up. All right, now Dad's turning the choke all the way off, or all the way open, I guess. I'm gonna do a couple stripes here to show you what this thing does. It's a bad mofo. Nasty concrete, never been cleaned. Okay, now we're gonna go do the house. As you can see, the house is just pretty. We did a little bit earlier, just trying to figure out how it works.